Lagos
Now my life it done better. Them they call me original.
Cinema engineering company. We are here to help grow the industry. We build residential cinemas. We build hotel cinemas, as we are the first to introduce that in Ghana. And then we also build commercial cinemas. Let's get back to the Holy Trinity cinema project.
Berries Tech Limited, also known as Berries Home Cinemas, a subsidiary of Berries Group, is a multinational and a worldwide cinema installation and engineering corporation with the aim of providing friendly, informative, entertaining, and new age technological engineering advancements in the cinema and theater industry. Berries Tech Inc. offers state-of-the-art cinema installation services with wide range of technologies like IPTV and system management packages that gives fun-filled fulfillment, putting homes and businesses on the world luxury marketplace across the African continent.
And we are 7 days to the launch of this grand cinema. And the job has been very hectic. It's not been very easy. You know, we need to stay awake and still get things.
It done better. Them they call me original. Now my money done they buy me, oh. Them they call me Dangote. As the old done they fly. Them they call me Billy Gates. As I enter all the place, yo, then give me standing ovation. Like what the boy here, bago kwalelu.
My name is Nana Eko Okusu, and I'm the Chief Operating Officer of Berries Tech Limited. Over the years, we've actually aligned ourselves with international partners all across the world, from China, Canada, USA, and this has actually helped us to be your prime cinema engineering solution in Africa.
Our objective is to maintain a sustainable brand with great customer service experience. As a multinational brand, we create a favorable corporate image and goodwill, strive to maintain and lead in emerging trends in cinematic engineering, information technology, and telecommunication, with the provision of a much interactive television service via Internet Protocol (IPTV), enacting strong codes of conduct and ensuring their enforcement to attain world-class services, which resounds in our slogan, The Century Technology.
Now my life it done better. Them they call me original. Now my money done they buy me, oh. Them they call me Dangote. As the old done they fly. Them they call me Billy Gates. As I enter all the place, yo, then give me standing ovation. Like what the boy here, bago kwalelu, oh. Bago kwalelu. Chuku akose mumbe kwanu meze. Oh na. Like what the boy here, bago kwalelu, oh. Bago kwalelu. Chuku akose mumbe.
You know, within 3 weeks, trying to put such a facility together. And so we want Ghana to make use of the facility. As he said, this facility is also going to help those who are trying to recover, you know, from any health-related issues. And that is true, because entertainment is something that really helps people to recover. And so once again, I want to thank Doctor for this opportunity. And we are telling Ghana to watch out for more cinemas in the industry to help build this industry.